Hello mga kabalan, kabayan. This is me again, it's Chef Pei. So, andito tayo ngayon kay Ma'am Joy. Ayan po. Kung kilala niyo po dito, isa siya sa sikat na vlogger din dito sa Auckland, New Zealand po. Ayan. Thank you Ma'am Joy for inviting us or for giving us an opportunity to serve you and satisfy you for the Filipino foods po.
Yes.
Ayan po. Maraming salamat Ma'am Joy.
Yes, uulitin po.
Yes,
Ayan. So, if you're looking for affordable and delicious food, ayan. So, I can recommend Gutom's Eatery. Tama ba?
Yes po.
Yes,
Yes
oo.
po.
So, yun po. So, if you want to try, very affordable po. I guarantee. Ayan.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy. Ayan po. If you're looking for catering services, we're here. Gutom's Catering Filipino Cuisine po. We're ready to serve you and satisfy you. Thank you.